Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Hain. Today I am here because I want to learn English. Today I am here because I want to improve myself. Today I am here because I want to make my personality better. So if you want to speak English fluently, are you facing a problem while speaking English? What type of problem are you facing? I faced a lot. I wanted to speak, but my mind is blank. But I took challenge 30 days spoken English. I feel very comfortable this language. I feel very confident guy with enthusiastic. If you want to speak fluent, if you want to speak English fluently, confidently, without any hesitation in front of lot of people on the stage, you can. But you have to believe in yourself. You have a potential to do anything, but you have to recognize your potential. You will have to recognize your potential. After that, you make a roadmap. You make a roadmap and do practicing, do studying, doing preparation, and feel confidence. What you say, you deliver in speech. You have to deliver a speech in front of lot of people, but with a confidence. You have to do everyday exercise. What will happen? English, some people are saying English is not a cup of tea. I cannot be speak English because I don't have any idea how to speak English. Everyone have an idea, but people have a fear, lack of knowledge, lack of fear, lack of hesitation. If you have a fear, so you have to start speaking in front of camera. You definitely achieve your goal. You hit the target also, but you have to maintain a consistency. I am making video because I making consistent. Sometimes I feel boring. I am not comfortable. I am not making this video, but I am here because I want to change myself. Okay, this is not a motivational video. This is not a motivational video. What I am saying, this is right. So okay, do practice, keep doing practice, keep doing studying, keep doing hard work, speaking, writing, reading, you doing. Okay,